Right then, I've already cleaned this I'm tripping on. I've already cleaned that, and a bit difficult to see, but I've washed it up a little bit to show you. The paint had actually come up in here, if you can see that, in the old grease. I'm glad I cleaned it. It breaks up, so it's not really a problem, I don't think, and it was mainly around the edges. I'm going to say, wish I could go with that chainsaw, I really do. What we're going to do now, basically, put everything back together, and I'll have to get grease in between. Oh, by the way, the reason the paint's come up is probably, if I was going to make a good educated guess at it, is because what they've actually done is use the grease with graphite in. It's very fine for dry purposes, but not very good for this. It's act like a paint stripper. I've seen it with completely no paint in there. Maybe still does that on more expensive models or something, I don't know. Anyway, I don't see it as a problem, but the important thing is now to get a layer of grease in between all your bits. So we get a bit of cloth and we start. We clean. See this paint there, look. See what I mean? Look, paint residue. Might have to clean that off. Don't know. Let's have a clean off and then start looking at it. What I like to use is this stuff. Bought this can on a car boot, and why anybody throws such a thing away, I ain't got a clue, but sell it for £1, I ain't got a clue. But what up, yeah? That's one of my bones of contention with people. Too much waste, but it does me well, so I'm not bothered. Yeah, there is a bit. I'll get me Gary Flatpot and just give that a bit of a rub. It's a very fine paint finishing block, and it's not going to do any harm to this whatsoever. So let's just get that bit of grease off. There we go. Get rid of it. Yeah, I think they've definitely used that sort of thing in here. Well, at least we know which way it goes now. Right, and a start. And this is again why I don't like the business with the tubing grease, because it don't allow you to do this, look. I like to get a bit in that bottom, round them gears, all round that bottom. As I say, it's already been cleaned off, so it's not an issue, but and that goes in there like that, over that hole, and it also sticks the pieces in place. That's good as far as I'm concerned. Right, now we need this wheel. Get a little spray of Granville just to help clean it. As long as it's covered in grease when you get it in there. Greasing's better than no greasing, I've always said, but I do like to separate, get the grease in positions where I can actually use it. So we have a bit of a clean round look. I could have put these things in a paraffin bath actually, but I don't think they mean to be that good, to be honest. No, that's that. If I recall right, it was words up. Yes, it was. Right, words up on that. Right, now we need a bar. As all your bars aren't entirely the same, just watch out for one little thing for me when you do yours. That's your first bottle up. Yeah, located on that peg there. What am I going to say? No, that can't be right. I should have to go on that peg, because you need to put a bolt through there to obviously remember when we took it apart. Just need to find a can with the lid off of. Again, grease. All routine surfaces. Just probably need a bit more of this in a minute. Down there. off camera, I suppose, but you get the general gist. Nice and slippy, grease. Right, now we want the yes, this piece here. So I'm just thinking aloud while I'm talking to you. This goes on one of the blades. Sometimes you come across these blades. I went to mention this, which I'll show you in a second when I get this up. Where that goes on there now, that goes along there, that goes in there, there, like that. Nope, it don't, it goes on the other side. What am I doing, Johnny? Otherwise, flat side up. Just let me get this. It's a bit difficult when you got this damn grease on it. There we go. Put this back in position. It is a bit fiddly, I don't mind telling you, but you'll get there. No, next hole. There you go. Got it. I think I'll just grab myself a spring clamp. Hope as that. Get these things from the pound shop and just make sure we're still recording. Yes. First blade upwards. Right. You know, gist of what I'm doing now a bit. And that goes on the end of there. Like that. I'm really behind it, so I'll put a second pair of hands there just to hold things, but not possible. Now, can we hold that one together with that? Yes. It's important to locate this thing here into there. Right, so we've got to remember that as we go along. Let me alter that bit, yeah. Grease. On there, round there, round there, round there, round there. Like that, lovely. Now we have to move this blade a little bit forward to engage this. Let's come up again. L. Better. Pivot point down the middle here. Oh, it's just here. So level that up, put that down there. Once you get that in, right now, show you a bit of a trick here. I think. Don't know where to put the other one on first. I think we'll put the other one on first. Clamp off. Legs together and down. Right, a bit of a struggle there for a bit. How this was going to go. Normally you just put the blades here, stack them on, no problem, but this one was a little bit of a bugger. Anyway, we sorted it. What I've done is pre-assembled the blades. You see now they come apart, the screws and the rest of it, so they hold together properly. And then basically, I think this table could have been done a bit longer. I think that's one of the big problems. Anyway, let's get on with it. That goes there, which lines up with that hole, which is good. Remember the little rubber seal we had? That little visible wipe off. The paper's disappeared. Blown away in the wind. Like that. And now remember, if you recall, when we took this apart, I told you don't take the last one out. Just check what I'm doing here in a minute. Nah, can't do this yet, just realised. Just leave that there like that. Right, now. We're not really struggling here, we're just, it's just a bit challenging. I need to rotate this wheel back. This little screwdriver to reline this top one up. There you go, that's it. Easy. See, it's working now. Right, we'll get that on. Like that. And we need a spacer block in a couple of places. A bit prematurely put this seal on. We'll take that up a minute. It's not really worked for me now, this is. Tempted to put a clamp on there, but I'm not going to. Right, so we've now got 3 of these little spaces. 1, 2, 3. And we've got some bolts. I'm just wondering how this is going to go. Right, here we go. Keep my hand on there. Get that up there. I want my hand up. Just realised. I'm going to put that on later, but can't for the moment. I just realised now. Well, there's 2 screws in this, will go directly through to the blades, and it goes on that way, like that. So from that we're going to need a spacer there and there, at least. That's where the first 2 go. Need that in space, like that. Yeah, that's going to work. There. That's good. I know which one goes in that one. So we lift up the top blade again. Let's take this spacer out a second. Get these in. One's going to go there. I've already greased down here, so it's not a problem. That's the first one. That'll be the second one. Just there. And that'll be the third one underneath there. That's the blade. I'll be fully supported. We managed to tiddle these with a screwdriver like that. Just got to get them to fit in. Not a bit of a tight, the fine tolerance, you can see. Normally you'd leave this top up on one, and this one didn't want to seem to go together like that. Now, I must remember to put this back in. Hopefully in the right position, all 3 of them are. It's already been cleaned, greased. Tight squeeze there, little clamp to hold it all together. Should be able to tizzle them into place by now, I think. Let's have a quick look. No, it's coming out again, damn thing. See what the problem is? It keeps coming up at the front. That's been a bit of a problem. Well, we'll get there. That's one lined up. That's 2 lined up. I think we're going to be alright at that. I don't remember, you guys remember there was a bend here, and I think there's still a little bit of a bend there. Right, rubber seal in. Don't need to go in yet. Right, single bolt, shorter thing, like that. And once you get this in, virtually made. Funny enough, I've actually taken these apart and seen where the blocks aren't actually there. And it makes you wonder why, but then you come across a situation like this and you realise why. Because it's not the easiest thing to get lined up in some cases when you're on your own. In this levelity, these blades isn't always easy. there's another one here somewhere. Because you've got the starting cast plate in the handle now. Yeah, let's put that little seal in before we lose her. There you go. And that seals the grease, you see, been coming on the blades. Now then, I know that one goes in there. Let's try these two. There is a difference. Yes, there is. That's the line, I think. No, we're not. We're in it. And we tighten this one up. I ain't really fully tightened all the rest yet, but don't forget there's a little block in between that one as well. They not come out now. No way. Right, that's that done. And I think we have to turn it over now. Yes, we do. It certainly is a different handle. You didn't see this when I took it apart, but this handle is a bit of a strange thing. Right. Put that on there. That can now come off. One old fix there. Let's go through that one. You'll see in a minute. That goes on there. Like that. There we go. Gets into position. And this one here, a bit of a different one to the rest. It's got a nut on the back. I don't think it really does a lot, but it closes this handle on and it has to have a space in between so you don't track the blooming blade. I think at this point I'm going to just have a little fiddle on my own and then I'll come back to you. Right, they're actually running again. I'm going to show you in a second running. They look nice and clean, beautiful. I like to come on any road, and that's the most important thing. And I can tell the functioning because I've actually sprayed them up with some of this stuff here, which is WD-40 with what do you call this stuff? Graphite in it, which is fine for the blades. Lovely stuff. And as I say, I'm going to get a scab hard for them, and that'll have grease in it, and that should maintain them for years to come. But a bit I should use them initially in any road. This won't need doing for a long time, and they run really nice. Turn it off, and I'm going to show you them running if I can. Then I'm going to do this actually. Noise alert. As you can see, done. Hope you like the video, hope you find it informative, and we're going to put, as I say, when they get the scabbard on and they're going to look lovely. What they really need is good cutting, good running, get them cleared out. We want a little run, but not much. I want to get them blades done. But they're absolutely beautiful. They were actually rattled a little bit beforehand, and now that rattle's gone, so I've done my job, I think. I may include a cutting video, but I don't think there's any point because they'll work. I know they will. So there you go then. That's life. We've done it. Have a nice day. If you like what you've seen, follow, like, subscribe. Call me blind, but I like these things. Comments, but as I say, thank you very much and thank you for watching. Bye.